Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7 with your phone. You have to start by open settings and then go to Bluetooth. Now, right here at the right ear cup we have this power button, slide up to turn on your headphones and it automatically enters to pairing mode. So right here we should see that this LED light is blinking blue. But if it doesn't want to enter pairing mode automatically, just slide up and hold it until this LED light starts flashing blue. And then click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!